Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video, where I will show you how you can download and install Proton VPN on your computer and laptop. If you want a tutorial for your phone, comment below, and if you want to support me in what I do, you can leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Without taking up too much of your time, let's start with the tutorial. First, open your browser. In search type Proton VPN. Now follow my steps. Now we have to wait for it to install. Once connected, you are automatically protected. And that would be all for this video. If you want tutorials like this and even better ones, leave a like and subscribe and write in the comments what you want the next tutorial to be about. And until then, see you in the next video.